So hello guys, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I am going to show you that how you can unlock your temporary locked Snapchat account. If your account is permanently locked, so there is another method to unlock your account. So first of all, we have to learn that how you can unlock your account if it is temporarily locked. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat. After opening Snapchat, you have to give your username, and when you give your password and click on the login, you get the error that your account has been temporarily locked. So how you can fix that problem? So go back to your main menu and open the Google. Here you have to search Snapchat support. You can see Snapchat support, click on that. After that, you have to scroll down and click on the contact us. After that, you have to select the option I can access my account, and after that you have to click on the my account is locked. After that, you can get the option of going here, so you have to click on that. So you can see there's a lot of option on my account, so you have to click on the unlock my account. Now scroll down and click on the unlock. So again scroll down and you get the option here. You can see your account has been permanently locked. As I say, if your account is temporarily locked, then it will be unlocked, and if it is permanently locked, then there's another method of unlocking it. So you have to go back to your main menu, and here you have to again click on the contact us. After that, you have to select the option here. I think my account has been compromised. After that, so you have to again click on I think my account has been compromised, and after that you get the option here to change your password and compromised account, how to keep your account secure. So you can see, so you have to give you the username of your account. After giving username, you have to give your email. After giving email, you have to give your mobile phone number. I'm not giving mine due to security reason. After that, here you have to give the description. My account is permanently locked due to community community guidelines violation. I have not done any violation, so please unlock my account as soon as possible. I think my account is hacked. After giving this description, you have to click on the submit, and your account will be unlocked after 1 or 2 months. So if my video is helpful for you, then subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.